Today I am going to tell you that if you hate Indian oud oils or Hindi oud oils and you think they are skanky and they are very animalic, then you should try oud oils from Tajul Bakshi, Assam Aromas, India. So I think he is a legend. I would say he is a legend for artisanal grade oud oil. So I have one bottle M201 from the same from the region Nagaland, and I think it is one of my favorite Hindi oud oils. Now I really enjoyed this one. Before trying this one, I never thought that I would buy a Hindi oud oils, but I think as the time goes by and your taste develops, you are going to dislike most of the Thai oud oils, which are very sweet oud oils, and you are going to like more of these Hindi oud oils. They are a beauty. Assam oud oils or Nagaland is my favorite region. Okay, so about the smell, it has almost zero barn, no funky smell or any animalic or any kind of that skunk that you relate to Hindi oud oils. It is like have a light smoke with some. I'm reviewing M201, so this is the version M201. I think it has been sold out. It's smoky. It has lot of cardamom because I apply it at night, and one of my you can say colleague, he actually smelled it and said that there is a lot of masala in it. So masala means that there are a lot of spices in it. So I would agree that there are a lot of spiciness to it. There is cardamom, there is kind of cinnamon, kind of smoky cinnamon kind of smell, and it has a lot of great you can say faces, and I really enjoyed this one. So let's open the bottle and I'm going to sniff inside it. So it is, I think, one of the best scent for winters. Don't try to apply it in high summers. I normally think it's not possible for I think for Arabian people or people living in Middle East. I think they can pull this off in the heat because they are, too much. They have this culture of applying oud oils. Arabian people and Arab have this, so it's not a very difficult thing to pull off there. But in other countries where it has a lot of heat, like Asian countries, it's not possible to pull this off. Also, I think for colder countries like Canada or UK or all these European countries that are mostly cold, these oud oils, Hindi oud oils from Tajul Bakshi, Assam Aromas is their website. I'm going to share the link in the description below. You can buy directly from there too. So this bottle actually cost, I think, $160 for this bottle, and this is a very nicely done oud oil. It has smoke, it has heaviness, it has the scent of a Hindi oud oil that should be there, and it is thick, resinous, and it is not like it is going to disappear like in just few minutes. It is going to stay there for like 2 or 3 hours on your skin. So this is my review about M201 from Tajul Bakshi Sahib of India. I really respect this person. He has one of the greatest artisanal oud distillers from India, and this is M201 Nagaland, and I'm going to end this video. If you don't like Hindi oud oils, try to find artisanal grade Hindi oud oils from Tajul Bakshi or Imperial Oud that has been discontinued, or even Ansar Oud. You are going to enjoy them. There are no barn notes, almost zero barn notes into them. So I will see you and meet you soon in another video with another oil. And till then, take care. Bye bye. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video.